guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to build a water level indicator on breadboard. The components which we need for this experiment are a 9-volt battery, a breadboard, 3 BC547 transistors, 3 330 ohm resistors, 3 LEDs and some jumper wires. I'm gonna start by connecting the transistors to the breadboard. The left leg is going to be the collector, the middle one is the base, and the right one is the emitter. Next, I'm going to connect my resistors to the collector of the transistor and to the positive rail. So here is my collector, and here is the positive rail. Now I'm going to connect the anode of the LED, which is the longer leg, to the emitter of the transistor. Then I'm going to connect all the cathodes of the LED to the ground or to the negative rail. Now I'm going to connect my buzzer to the circuit. The negative terminal of the buzzer goes to the ground, and the positive one goes to the base of the third transistor. Now I'm going to connect the bases of the transistors with the jumper wire. The other side of the jumper wire remains unconnected. Next, I'm going to connect another jumper wire to the positive rail of the breadboard, and the other side remains unconnected. I'm going to connect my 9-volt battery to the circuit. We are basically done with the setup of the circuit. I have changed my yellow LED to white LED since my yellow LED wasn't working properly and it was damaged. So I have my glass right over here, and I'm gonna place the remaining jumper wires inside of the glass. I'm gonna start by connecting the first jumper wire coming from the positive rail of the breadboard, and I will place it at the bottom of the glass. The second jumper wire, I will connect it similarly. I will place it on the bottom of the glass. Now for the next remaining jumper wires, I'm gonna place the jumper wire which is coming from the second transistor at the half of the glass in such a way, and the third jumper wire, the fourth, which is coming from the third transistor, will be at the top of the glass. Now I'm gonna slowly pour water inside of the glass till the level of the first two jumper wires. As you see, the blue LED turns on. I'm gonna continue to the level of the second jumper wire, which is at the middle of the glass. The second LED is also turned on. Now it's time for the third LED. I'm gonna pour it till end of the glass, and as you can see, now it's better. So right now our 3 LEDs are turned on, and since the buzzer is connected to the third transistor and the third transistor is also turned on because of the wire over here, we can hear the sound from the buzzer.